How do I change the cabin air filter in my car? Changing the cabin air filter in your car is a relatively simple maintenance task that can help improve the air quality inside the vehicle. Here are the general steps to change the cabin air filter. Locate the cabin air filter. The cabin air filter is typically located behind the glove box or under the dashboard on the passenger side. Consult your car's owner's manual or do a quick online search to find the specific location for your vehicle model. Open the glove box. Open the glove box and empty its contents. Look for any tabs or stops that prevent the glove box from fully opening and release them to allow the glove box to swing down or be removed completely. Access the cabin air filter housing. Once the glove box is lowered or removed, you should see the cabin air filter housing. It may be covered by a plastic or foam cover with clips or screws. Remove the cover. Carefully remove the cover by releasing the clips or unscrewing the screws. Set the cover aside. Take out the old filter. Locate the cabin air filter inside the housing. Slide the old filter out, paying attention to the filter's orientation, so you can install the new one correctly. Install the new filter. Insert the new cabin air filter into the housing in the same orientation as the old one. Make sure it fits snugly and is properly seated. Replace the cover. Put the cover back in place and secure it with the clips or screws. Reassemble the glove box. If you removed the glove box, carefully lift it back into place and secure any tabs or stops that hold it in position. Test the airflow. Turn on the car's ventilation system and test the airflow to ensure that the new cabin air filter is installed correctly. You should notice improved air quality as the new filter traps dust, pollen, and other airborne particles. Dispose of the old filter. Properly dispose of the old cabin air filter according to your local waste disposal guidelines. Note: the process may vary slightly depending on your car's make and model. Always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for specific instructions and diagrams tailored to your car. The cabin air filter should be replaced regularly, usually every 12,000 to 15,000 miles or once a year, depending on driving conditions and environmental factors. Regularly changing the cabin air filter helps maintain a clean and comfortable cabin environment by filtering out dust, pollen, and other pollutants.